Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick sealed draft with War of the Spark Magic the Gathering cards. So just figured I'd have some fun. It's kind of it's neat because I've been playing with some friends through Spell Table, so paper Magic the Gathering online. I think it's a really great thing. Fun way to stay in contact with friends that you can't necessarily play with face to face, or perhaps because you're separated by a great distance. So pretty fun little thing. If you haven't already heard of it, I'm sure everyone already has, but definitely check it out. So anyways, we're in the process of playing and just gonna see what we get here. Yeah, so never done this before, and kind of excited to see what happens. Who isn't excited to open up a whole bunch of booster packs all at once? Can't open them. Right, so now down to my favorite part. Well, maybe not my favorite part because this is actually where it gets kind of hard. So opened up all the 6 packs and took a break, put them all in sleeves, and kind of just broke everything down. So in 6 packs, I think this is actually kind of, an interesting spread. So 1 mythic rare in 6 packs, 5 rares, 4 multicolored cards, and then for the commons was kind of an interesting breakdown. So when it comes to a sealed draft, I got 9 whites, 5 artifacts, 13 greens, 11 red, 12 blue, and 10 black. And interestingly enough, there were quite a lot of duplicates. So for in 6 packs, I ended up getting 5 artifacts, but for the commons, 3 of them were the same, which is kind of interesting. Same thing for the multicolored cards. So, I got 2 Hortleys, Raptors. Not actually upset about that. For the other common colors, white, I didn't get any doubles, but I got 2 doubles for black, 2 doubles for red, 2 doubles for blue, and 4 duplicates for green. So green had the most cards, but also had the most duplicates. So I think the thing I'm most excited about was just the pulls for this round. So pretty happy with it. Got a God Eternal Oketra, a double Spark, and also a Karn's Bastion, all in. In 6 packs, I think that's pretty good to get all 3 of those. So, yeah. So for me, I think in this draft, and I'll definitely take anyone's advice in the comments if you think I'm doing this wrong. But basically, I like the idea that with God Eternal, Double Spark, and Karn's Bastion, I basically want to be playing at least a blue-white deck and just looking for anything that I can, bring out creatures, because creatures are going to be great with God Eternal Oketra, and then as far as Karn's Bastion, anything that can proliferate. So that's really what I'm looking at. I'm trying to determine whether or not it should be an additional color, but right now and also these are going to be great. So I think I may have shown this. So a lot of zombie cards. I think Gleaming Overseer is going to be a lot of fun with just a bunch of zombies, as well as, let's see, where did the guy come in? Kind of flew right through the commons because I wasn't exactly interested in looking for them, but where is it? I thought I saw another one that looks good for it. Well, maybe I can't find it. Oh, where did you go? I think it's in the uncommons. Yes, Eternal Skylord. I think that will also be fun for a multicolored zombie proliferation deck. So yeah, just really at this point, it's definitely going to be blue-white, trying to determine whether or not it should also throw in a couple greens and green and or black into that mix to make it a little bit more proliferable, because there's some of the fun duplicates that I got from the green were Courage and Crisis, which is wonderful because it not only adds a counter, but it'll proliferate. So there's just a lot of fun little cards in here. Hopefully my friends aren't looking at this video when I actually post it, so that they don't know exactly where I'm going with all the deck that I'm about to make and play against them later. But that's really it. There's also, where's the other one? There's a green and I think enchantment, which would be kind of fun. Here we go. Evolution Sage. So again, I don't know how I can work in green into this, but maybe green, white, blue, just so I can get some of these, maybe some small creatures, but also just some of these things that will help proliferate. And then just I think things kind of like this Yangu could just make it really easy to try and get funnel up mana, because if everything has a +1/+1 counter on it after getting them, it'll help me disperse the mana. I was lucky enough to also get a couple cards like these. Both of them would allow me to kind of have mana without having the actual lands out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, pretty happy with this pull. Got some not exactly I'm surprised that all these came in, even though it's only one mythic. I'm happy with what I got, and I think War of the Spark is going to be a lot of fun. We've been enjoying it. This is our second 6-pack draft, so maybe I'll try and make another video that shows the actual deck, but basically that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I definitely would take some feedback and criticism of given those cards, do you think that it should go a different way? So until the next one, yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy.